Why I buy. My name is Wade Johnson from Longview, Texas. I bought this gravity tilt trailer for my ranch and for other properties I have. I'm using a mini excavator. I haul a mini excavator on it, and I'm hauling a couple of tractors with it, as well as some construction materials, pipe, steel, wood. When I started shopping, I was looking at a few other competitors. What really sold me on Texas Pride is the website. I went to the website and I found exactly what I was looking for. The website's easy to use, it's user-friendly, and I found exactly what I needed, the size I needed. Of course, Texas Pride's price is very competitive, and I think it's a well-built trailer. I'd also bought a gooseneck several months ago from Texas Pride, and we've had a lot of success with it. Well-built trailer, it's done exactly what we needed. So I had another good comparison. I called up to this office and talked to Marty, the salesman. Marty was excellent. We went back and forth as I added options, and he knew the trailer. He fully understood what I was trying to accomplish and did an excellent job of representing Texas Pride. When I got here to pick the trailer up, it was exactly as I would have expected. I walked in, they were friendly, found my trailer, found my order. We handled the money and the contract. Then I walked out and did a walk around on the trailer. And then they brought the trailer under this covered shed. It's been raining here, so that was nice. And got me hooked up and showed me how the trailer operated, and everything went exactly as I'd hoped. I'm an engineer by degree, so I'm a quality kind of a person. I looked at this trailer because I think it is well built. That is my number one reason. Price is certainly a concern, but quality is number one. So that is why I went with Texas Pride. I bought this trailer at Texas Pride, and that's factory direct. They are a factory direct company. And the reason I think that is good is because they understand their product. They built it, so they should know it better than anyone. And you're not going through a middleman. And if you've got questions, they can answer them here and answer any question I could have possibly had. So I think this is obviously the best way to go. I'm a proponent of factory direct on anything I can get. And that's why I buy Texas Pride.